Hello everyone, welcome back to your own coding channel eCoding. Today we are diving into an important topic in the world of software development, which is software testing. So what exactly is software testing? So in simple terms we can say that software testing is the process of checking a software application to make sure it works as expected. So suppose we are reading a book, we must know that the book and the content of the book is error free or bug free. There should not be any particular mistake while the completion of a particular book. And why we are going for software testing is that to check correctness and completeness of a software. So suppose a particular application is built and we have to identify the total defects as well as error or a particular thing which is wrong with the software, and we can identify that particular thing by doing software testing on that particular application. Imagine a particular new app and only to find out that user can't log into the system. That is also be found by doing this kind of testing. We can also identify multiple user friendly application or user friendly things in the application, and if there are that particular data is missing from the software, we need to ask particular developer to add those features to make it more user friendly to the users. There are two types of software testing. First one is manual testing and other one is automated testing. So for manual testing, a human checks the software by following test cases. Like we make particular scenarios where we can decide a user needs to log into the system, and to log into that system a particular software tester can identify its username as well as password. By entering those two things and clicking on particular sign in page, we can identify whether a particular application allows new user to log into the system with correct credential or not. Similarly, we can give other examples like clicking on particular CTAs, that means a particular button, to check whether it redirect us to the next page or next um, way of or journey of particular application. There are multiple examples of manual testing. Supposedly we can called it as a functional testing as well as integration testing. We will go deep down into that particular type of testing from next videos. There are second type which is automated testing, where a test are run by using tools and script. So suppose a particular software is of long journey or has a different kind of codes which need to be tested thoroughly. To test those code working properly as well as their functional meaning as well as their redirectional skills are redirectional meanings are working properly, we do a particular script to run it 1,000 times. Consider it as a particularly daily to daily job. If particular tester is testing a particular software by manually, he or she will require to run same application for 10 to 20 times. But with the scripts, with using different kinds of codes and automated scripts, we can do that same thing by clicking by with a click of a button. For that we go with different kinds of softwares like Selenium WebDriver and other SOAP UI, JMeter. There are other types of software which we use to do that kind of automation testing. For example, in automation testing, we can go by UI automation testing and API automation testing. And for doing this kind of testing, we use software that I previously mentioned. For UI automation testing, we use Selenium WebDriver, Playwright, and other types of testing tools. For API automation testing, we can go with SOAP UI, REST assured, then as well as there is JMeter for other kinds of API automation testing. So that's it guys. If you have any more question, you can comment down this video, and do like and subscribe our channel eCoding for more content. Thank you.